Let's begin our practice on the top of the mat. Open your feet as wide as your hips. Take your hands back and fold forward. Chest over your thighs. Soften your knees and relax your neck fully. Couple of breaths here, sending attention inwards, focusing on the breath. In, out gently. Next inhalation, take your head up, arms up, Utkatasana, chair pose. Stay here, engaging your legs, step your left foot back, crescent lunge. Inhalation, stretch out and up through the sides of the body. Exhalation, take your hands down. Left hand under your shoulder, right arm reaches out and up. Take a twist, sending the chest into your inner right thigh. Stay. Exhale. Take your right hand down, send your back knee on the floor. Take your hands into your heart. And as you exhale, take your left elbow outside of the right knee. Connect your hands to heart as you gently press your heart center up to your hands. Looking up, twisting. Exhalation, hands to the floor. Spin your back heel on the floor 45 degrees. And as you lift your chest over thighs, take your hands out and in line with your shoulders. Look forward. Warrior 2. Inhale. Exhalation softly through your nose. Inhale again. And as you exhale, send your right arm up and over your head. Lean back. Exhalation, windmill your arms, step back, slowly bend the elbows, chaturanga, untuck your toes, inhale, up dog, and exhalation, downward dog. As you settle back in your downward dog, start cycling through your feet, stretching the heels down. At the same time, pressing gently into your hands. Now step forward. Lift your chest halfway up. Exhalation, fold into your legs. Sit back, Utkatasana, left side. Inhale, press into your left foot. Step your right leg back. High lunge, arms up. Inhale. Exhalation, stay. Inhale again. Right hand reaches down, left arm reaches up, hands in line with your shoulders. Twist. Inhale. Exhale, send the back knee on the floor, take your hands to heart as you gently lean back and then twist, locking your right elbow outside of your left knee. Connect your hands, press gently in, through your nose, out, exhale. Take your hands to the floor, tuck your toes, and lift your knee, placing your heel 45 degrees. Warrior 2. Open your arms out gently. And as you hold the pose, focus on the breathing. In, out. Strong legs. Gentle focus. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhalation, windmill your arms. Hands on the floor. Step back. Shoulders forward. chaturanga. Inhalation, up dog. Exhalation, take your hips up and back, downward dog. Settle back in your downward dog. Finding a couple of breaths here, in and out through your nose. Look forward. Step in between your hands. Feet together, halfway up. Bend your knees, take your hands to heart. And as you twist out to your right, take your left elbow outside of your right knee. Hands to heart, gently press your hands together. If you would like, you can open your arms out to the sides, keep twisting. And option 3, if you're ready, you can place your hands on the floor as wide as your shoulders. And as you lean forward gently, take a flight to side crow. Hold. Any variations here, undo this pose. Come back to your Utkatasana, hands to heart. Left side. Exhale, twist gently to your left. Hands in prayer, elbows out. Inhale again. Take your arms out, twist deeper. Stay here, or if you're ready, take your flight into crow pose. Hands on the floor, bend the elbows and just shift your weight forward as you keep connection between the elbow and thigh. Stay focused. And just undo your twist or crow pose, step out to the side, finding your wide-legged forward fold. Inhale. Exhale, folding deeper, taking your heels. Inhale again, stretch out and fold forward. 3 breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, take your hands to heart, heels in, toes out, squat down, goddess pose. And as we hold this pose, we continue moving the upper body, stretching the arms out to the sides. Keep focusing on your breath in and out through your mouth. In, out. In, out. Keep the pose, continue breathing in and out for 3, 2, 1. Keep going. And find your center. Close your hands to heart. Inhale, take your hands down. Heel toe your feet closer to your hips and squat down. Malasana, Yogic squat. Hands to heart, close your eyes. And just bring your attention inwards, focusing on sensations in the body. Any sense of lightness or heaviness, sense of energy, sense of stillness. And now, taking your hips gently down, cross your legs. Easy pose. Take your hands on your knees, close your eyes. Sending all the energy of your mind into your heart and finding there space for love, peace, and gratitude. Namaste.